Regulators! Hey guys, Danny from life.atv here. You know I got my pallet cold.
What's going on, guys?
Camera. And we thought we'd make this video because it's been a couple months since our new Honda showed up. By new we mean, of course, Cody bought my old one, and then I bought this 2008 Honda TRX 700 XX. So we just thought we'd make this video and combine it with kind of some trail footage and tell you guys how it's been so far, how we like it, what we don't like, things we plan to do in the future.
Things to add.
Yeah, so we'll get right into it, guys. So like I said, this is my 2008 Honda TRX 700 XX. As you can see from the back, it's got independent rear suspension. And I haven't really done much to this. You guys seen when I first bought it, it came with some crappy Nerf bars, so obviously I took them out. I got brand new Team Alba ones here right now I plan to put on in the future. Other than that, the back grab bar was in rough shape, so I took that off. But yeah, guys, I've just been enjoying it. I haven't done really anything to it.
You bought new plastic for it too, didn't you?
Yeah, well, here's the thing, guys. This thing, you'll see in the future, complete build on it. You search YouTube right now, no one's making videos on a Honda TRX 700 XX, which is, you know, I want to bring an audience back to this thing because Honda only made it for 2 years, and it's super rare, it's super fun, and yeah, I just want to bring attention to it across our platform. So we're gonna do a build. We got a brand new exhaust on the way. We have a Power Commander 5 we're gonna put on it. We're just gonna do a full cosmetic build too. New seat cover, you know, new levers, new bumpers, the whole works, and we're gonna make this thing new again, because as you guys can see, it's in kind of rough shape. I mean, the plastics are all there, but if you look actually in detail, they're extremely kind of scratched up, and they're faded. So, and I gotta put my personal touch on it. What do you think, dude?
I mean, I don't think it looks that bad, but I mean, the plastic could use a little updating, of course. But
the big thing is, I want to make it mine.
Yeah, exactly.
And you know how I did with Cody's in the past. We made that thing look brand new. So that's what we're gonna do with this. But anyway, the pros of this thing, guys. You know, people are telling me all the time with this independent rear suspension, this is by far like one of the superior trail riding sport quads out there. It rides so nice on trails, it absorbs so much, and it's a different feel. It's a completely different feel. I actually enjoy it quite a bit. But Cody, why don't you tell them what you feel like when you drive it?
When I drive it, because I'm using my 450, obviously. Whenever I drive it, it feels like I'm driving a freaking boat because it's just so much bigger.
And he's got a good point. If you've never rode an independent rear suspension sport quad, it feels weird. It almost feels kind of like tippy in a way.
It does feel a little tippy, yeah.
But I've grown to
in complete honesty, it feels the same way whenever I drive a Raptor. It feels a little top heavy.
Yeah. So I'm used to the big 700 sport quad, and I've actually gotten really used to this thing, and I enjoy it. But yeah, right now we got the Barker's Performance exhaust on there, which we're switching that out with an HMF just because not really anything sound wise, it's just I prefer the HMF look better on this quad. So yeah, we're taking that off. It's got kind of a cheap fuel programmer right on it right now, so we're switching that out with a high-end Power Commander. Yeah, she's gonna be a beast on the trails. But like, one of the cons is the clutch was replaced before I bought this, and for some reason the clutch lever is really tight, so I gotta look into that, because you get arm pump really easy. We haven't really looked into it, guys, but yeah, I gotta do something with this, because there's not a lot of play here.
And I guess you could say it ain't really that big of a deal, but no, for you, the plastic as well?
We just haven't looked at it, yeah. Plastic, cosmetic. You know, Colt says he likes the seat cover. I hate it.
I mean, I like it.
I want all black, so that's what I'm gonna do. Another con is hate the front bumper. As you know, I hated the back grab bar. That's why I took it out. So we're gonna find a new setup for this thing. But yeah, it's ugly. It's ugly. And the thing we're running into is, obviously, I said they only made this in 2008, 2009. So the aftermarket scene for this is almost non-existent. So
yeah, you wanted to buy a different pipe than HMF at one time, but you couldn't find one.
HMF's the only one that makes it, yeah. So that's why I'm going with them, which ain't a huge deal. I like HMF. I was hoping to go with like an Empire or something, but you can't do it. So it's unfortunate.
I guess that's a con as well. It's hard to find aftermarket stuff for this thing as well.
But that's one of the reasons why I want it, is because it's rare.
Exactly.
You know. But anyway, guys, this is my 2008 Honda TRX 700XX, and it isn't going anywhere. There's going to be a build on this in the future, and I guess we'll go to Code's 2006 Honda TRX 450 ER. Guys, I'm starting this out. This is Cody's 2006 Honda TRX 450 ER. The reason I'm starting this out is because I owned the squad for almost 4 years before I sold it to Cody, so I kind of know what's done to it and the things I've done to it. Cody's put his personal touch on it, but I just want to touch base motor-wise with you and some of the, you know, cosmetic stuff I did to it as well. But anyway, as we said, this is an ER. This is electric start. This is the first year it came out. Stage 2 hot cam in it, with a 13-to-1 piston setup, and it's rejetted with a White Brothers full exhaust. I'll show them the exhaust code. Yep. White Brothers, rare. They don't make pipes anymore. They're not even a thing anymore. And it sounds super good. It's not too loud, and it's I think it's just perfect. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it a
lot. I'll let
lot.
Cody talk about all this. I just wanted to tell you guys the motor work that was done to it. Obviously, I'm a big fan of Team Alba, so we got Team Alba front bumper, back grab bar, Alba beadlock wheels, and then we also have Team Alba Nerf bars. So yeah, big fan of Team Alba, guys. I think it makes the quad look really nice.
Yeah. But
we'll go over to Cole right now, and he'll tell you, you know, if he likes it, if he's happy with the purchase, and some of the cons he's probably faced, some of the stuff he's did.
As Danny said before, I bought it from him, and I was pretty sad when I sold my YFZ in that previous video, but honestly, ever since I bought this from him, I don't really miss it. This thing has worked great for me. Previous video, the clutch and the starter acted up a little bit, but it hasn't happened since, so I guess I'm honestly just gonna leave it until it happens again. But cons for this, I guess you could say it ain't really a trail quad, you could say. More Danny's 700s and like that is Raptor, but to be honest, I'm more of a 450 guy myself. So I mean, it's doable, obviously, because
yeah, it's no secret Cody definitely takes more of a beating being on a 450. You know, he's still got the stock suspension and everything, so Cody takes a beating, but as you said, he's always been a 450 guy.
I've always been a 450 guy. It's just nothing against the 700s, but it's just more me. Things I've done to it, my YFZ, my 2008 YFZ that I sold a little bit ago, it had a 2-inch bar riser on it. I put the exact same one on this Honda. It's a Rox Speed FX bar riser. I really don't know much about them. I just love the way it felt on my YFC, so I bought the exact same one. Kept Danny's handlebars, his bar pad, but I did put new ODI hand grips on there, exact same one Danny has on his Raptor 700. I just really liked them. Had to get the same ones. But other than that, that's all I really done to it.
So you're happy with the purchase?
Really happy with the purchase. Like I said, I missed my YFZ at first, but now I'm happy to be a proud Honda owner.
Big shout out to the old man for helping us film.
It was a good time. It was a lot of fun.
How was the razor ride, guys?
It was great.
Good.
We had a good time.
Cody's sister Brookie, how was it, buddy?
Good.
Was it good?
We should have probably had our helmets on, but
We had the GoPro hooked up right there. Hopefully it turned out right, Code?
Yeah, I think it will.
that was fun.
It was a nice ride. So hopefully you enjoyed this video of us, you know,
kind of, you know,
going over our machines. Yeah. And we obviously threw trail footage in here. Hope you guys enjoyed that. But we upload every week, guys. Remember, when the weather's like this,
Perfect out.
we upload every week. So make sure to like, subscribe, and as always,
We'll see you guys in the next video.